This is also amazing, but this doesn't work. It's not in use.
Yeah.
Lampikatu. And today it's the 14th of July 2025 and Volvo series.
Sånt ska ju Lampikatu 22 staircase B.
The film is like say as well.
Yeah.
It's also in Heinola. Lahti in Finland. Best is 4 versus 3 grams. Built in late 1974, finished in 1975. This is 3.2, 3.75. It was also very difficult to get inside here.
No, it was quite easy.
But for me, normally it would be too difficult.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, in this one too, so.
Yeah.
But this is weird. So you have to just open the door.
Yeah.
Nobody is coming.
Maybe not. Needs to be black device maintained by some extra quantity.
I'm always too paranoid.
Yeah.
But no, it was the birds. Some kind of birds.
Yeah.
So now the left is too smart. It knows that it has a way to film us here. And that's why it doesn't want to.
Yeah.
It's playing and played a prank.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was quite strange.
Yeah.
That's it, thanks so much. You're not supposed to stay this.
That's